Well, this morning we're starting on the bathroom here. I can take the toilet out. That's not going to be a problem. And again, we've got no man's land right here. And I sure want to take out these cabinets. But it looks like I'm going to have to cut pipes. This would definitely have to be cut here. I could unscrew this right here. But still, we're tied in here. And again, I could unscrew that, but we would have to cut this drain pipe and take away that T. And then we've got this over here. That would all have to be cut. So unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to pass on taking this cabinet out. It's going to be a lot of work. I can probably get a piece in here, one solid piece, and put it back there and hoping it lays down on there. That's my only option. We'll give that a try. I can't get a hammer. I can't get nothing in here. Well, I can get my hand in there. Maybe I get my nail gun in there and throw a thorn in and hold that down. I don't know. We'll see. But I can't get this cabinet out. It's going to be a huge problem. All right. Well, we're getting there. I was able to get a strip down there in no man's land. Don't look too bad. Don't worry about this. I left that like that on purpose. We're going to get a lot of water here, and it'll be covered up with the quarter round. I'll put some silicone in here before I put that on there, but we move on. I got the toilet out, and of course they get me again. This is glued in here. Hopefully I can lift this up enough to get the flooring up underneath. If not, then we'll just go around it. Okay, got the bathroom done. The floor down anyway. Obviously got the toilet out. I got a new wax ring for the toilet bowl. So once I get the toilet back in, probably another day, I've got to get out my power stapler, the quarter round. So what I'm going to try to do is, this is kind of an oak color, so I'm going to try to get some stain for the quarter round. It's got to go all around, just about everywhere here, and I'll stain that quarter round. And I've got some polyurethane, make it waterproof, and there's a few other little things. I've got to tack stuff like this down, but yep, the main part's done. So we'll move on. I guess we'll make this a part 3, 4, whatever.